We're here at the Great Plains Nature Center, and we've split our students up into different groups. So some of them are out helping clean up the park so that it looks great for the beginning of spring and summer, when lots of patrons in the city will be using the park. And then others are inside learning about different animals and habitats that are natural to the state of Kansas, and they'll cycle through those different activities today.
We have all of our K-12 staff, paras, office staff, and we invited all the K-12 families. So we have the students, parents, siblings, all of our families are welcome today.
I get to help my community out and get to clean up, and I get to learn about animals that I never seen and knew about.
We're more than just a virtual school. We provide opportunities for our families to engage in the community, from field trips to today is a community service day, to partnering with our local colleges like WSU Tech. So trying to get our students outside of the home. They come to our building as well for in-person learning.
But there's lots of great opportunities like this one, a field trip opportunity, where they get to come in, they get to do hands-on experience, and in this particular case, they get to give back to the community. And it really gives the kids an opportunity to get out, get doing activities with other kids, and also just that community aspect.
We wanted to give back to Great Plains Nature Center because they have done so much for our school during our in-person learning. They collaborate with us for learning opportunities during our STEM days. They bring out animals to our building. We wanted to give back to not just our students, but just have that opportunity to do community service outside of our building.
I had a great time.
So this is a way for us to give them some volunteer hours for high schoolers, a way to clean up in the community and do something different than just being online all day. So we provide lots of opportunities. Today's just one of the many opportunities they have to go out and be with friends, be with teachers, and do something different than just being at home learning.